All right, what up, guys? Gals, what's up? So today, we picked up these bricks a while back, and today we're processing them to knocking off all this stuff that they fill them with. I can't remember it off the top of my head, but we're making raised platforms for the greenhouse out of them, and then chickens are gonna go over there on that side. Anyways, the mortar mix, I don't know what the hell it's called. I'm not a bricklayer. Somebody that's a bricklayer can tell you. But anyways, get you one of these hammers. And then most of the time, if you tap right along the edge where the brick is that meets that cement mix, it'll come off. But this one's being a pain in the ass. But keep drying here so you guys know what's up. When they're free, you know, you can't complain. You got to do what you got to do. But especially with times being hard now, beggars can't be choosers. And if it's free, might as well take advantage of it. So if you're going to use these to rebuild something like a tornado shelter, flower bed garden, for your flower beds, you got to knock all this stuff off so you can put the stuff there. And there's a pile of what I've been knocking off. This one has to be the most difficult one, I guess. There it goes. So anyways, that's how it's done. And then you go back and clean them up a little bit. And then you put your new mortar on. And I'd wear gloves. I had a glove on this because if not, it chews your hands up. But anyways, that hammer, these blocks, and you can make anything you want to. Tornado shelter, 3 foot deep flower bed and an L shape. Your mind, use your mind. Figure it out. Anyways, thumbs up. Thumbs down, bitches, most complaints, leave them in the comment section below. I'm USMC Vet. Simplify, Godspeed. Have a great day. Peace.